Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Aptitude Interview Session. There's a first question, int main, call, and followed by call. I'm calling this function 2 times, and int a is equal to 0, printf %d followed by the value of a will be displayed on the screen, a gets incremented by 1. These are the following option. First option is 0, 0. Second option is 0 followed by 1. Third option is 1 followed by 1. Fourth option is compile time error. You can pause this video, you can predict the output of this code. We'll execute this code, guys. Now, what's the output? 0 and 0 will be displayed on the screen. Now I will give an explanation. Execution of the program begin from the main. I am calling this function. It will reach us here. Initially, a value assigned for the 0. A value will be displayed on the screen. 0. A gets incremented by 1. A value is 1 only, but the control is coming out and reaches here. Again, I'm calling this function. As 0 will be assigned for the A again. So that is the reason 0 will be displayed on the screen. Why? Because when the control is coming out, then when you call this function again, the original value 0 will be assigned for this a variable. That is the reason it is displaying 0 and 0. This is the second question. Int main, as the same program only, but little bit alteration. I have added the static keyword here compared to the previous one. The previous one, no static here, and then now I have added the static. And these are the following options. First option is 0 and 0. Second option is 0, 1. Third option is 1, 1. Fourth one is compile time error. You can predict the output of this code now. Now, if I execute this code, what will happen? 0 and 1 will be displayed on the screen. When I'm calling this function, it will reach us here. And 0 will be assigned for the A. This is static variable. 0 will be displayed and it gets incremented by 1. Control is coming out. Again, I'm calling. And here, this will retains the value for multiple function call. Why? It is a static variable. That's the reason it retains the value. If I'm not using static here, so again, if you are trying to run this code, now it will print the 0 and 0. It won't holds the value for multiple function call, especially normal variable. If we use a static, it holds the value for multiple function call. That's the reason it will display 0 and 1. This is the third question, guys. Int array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Int a is equal to address of a, printf a followed by address of a, else part %d asterisk a plus 1. Predict an output of this code. These are all the following options. Address and address will be displayed on the screen. Second option is 1 and 2, and the third option is compile time error. Fourth option is runtime error. You can guess the output of this code. We will execute this code, guys, and address will be displayed on the screen. Same address. Why? Because here a and ampersand of a, it is pointing to the base address of the array. So array here, a means it will holds the base address, and ampersand of a is also indicates that it will holds the same address. So address of a and ampersand of a, it's same only. So that is the reason condition becomes true. Why? Because it is pointing to the same 716 and 716, the same address, condition become true. So that is the reason I'm just trying to display the address of a as well as the base address. It is pointing to the base address of a. So that is the reason condition become true. First statement will be executed on the screen. This is the fourth question, guys. Int a is equal to 3, pointer b, pointer c, b is equal to holds the address of a, and c is equal to b, printf a into asterisk b, asterisk a plus asterisk b plus asterisk c. Predict the output of this code. These are the following options. First one is compile time error, second one is 30, third one is 33, fourth one is none of the above. We will execute this code, guys. These are the output. So sorry, 33 will be displayed on the screen. So we will check for the options. Yes, 33 is there. So 33 will be displayed on the screen. Now we will go for the explanation. So this is an integer variable. This is two pointers variables of the type integer. B holds the pointer. B holds the address of A. Fine. So now B is also pointing to the address of A. Then the B is holds, this is pointing to the address, right? Address of A, it holds the address of A. Then that will be assigned for the pointer C. And now C and B holds the address of the A. Correct? C and B holds the address of A. Now, A value is 3 into, then B is holds the address of A. In that address, I will fetch the value. Value means 3 will be fetched. Then 3 into 3, 9 into 3, correct? 27 plus, again asterisk B, 3, 30 plus asterisk C, again 3. Why? Because B is also assigned for the C. C is also holds the address of A. Then definitely asterisk means it will fetch the value. Fetch the value means definitely it will fetch us the 3. So that is the reason at the end it will display 33 on the screen. You can trace it once again. You can execute this program once again for the better clarity. There's a fifth question: int main int array A. Then I have initialized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 pointers of the type integer. P1 holds the address of the first element of an array. P2 holds the address of the second element of an array. Printf %d P1 plus P2. These are the following options: compile time error 3 and garbage value followed by the runtime error. You can pause this video. You can predict the output of this code. We will execute this code, guys. If you execute this code, you will get the compile time error. Go and check the error logs, invalid operator to binary like this. You will get it on the output screen, error message. So we are trying to add the address. No, it is not possible. So instead of that, if you want to, in that address, if you want to fetch some values, I will use an asterisk symbol here. Now 1 plus 2, 3 will be displayed on the screen. Do follow me on Sukshmas for more questions, MCQ, as well as the e-note. If you are a beyond knowing participant, try to alter my code and option, then post it as an MCQ on Sukshmas platform to get very good quality bonus point. Practice well. See you in my next session. Thank you.